Listen, if you don't view money different after watching this video, then I don't know what to tell you. Let's tap in. So, this is what happened. Citigroup mistakenly credited a customer's account with 81 trillion last year when it meant to send them just $280. Let's keep going. The payment, which took place last April, was missed by two employees but caught 90 minutes after it was posted. The Financial Times first reported Friday. It was reversed several hours later and reported to the Federal Reserve and Office of the Comptroller of the Currency as a near miss. The event is the latest mistake disclosed by the Wall Street Bank, which is struggling to overcome a series of operational errors in the recent years. So one of the reasons why I say if you don't view money differently, I don't know what to tell you, is because they made a digital mistake, meaning that money is just numbers for them. They're able to just put in a couple of numbers and voila, it shows up in your account in the form of money that you can then withdraw, make purchases with. So imagine how many digits have been wrongfully deposited in certain accounts based on error or intent. Very important. Let's proceed. So, the event is the latest mistake disclosed. We talked about that. So, despite the fact that a payment of this size could not actually have been executed, or detective controls promptly identified the input error between two Citi ledger accounts, and we reserved the entry. Citi said in a statement to NBC News, our preventative controls would have also stopped any funds leaving the bank. Okay. While there was no impact to the bank or our client, the episode underscores our continued efforts to continue eliminating manual processes and automating controls through our transformation. Citi neither confirmed nor provided comment on the number of near misses it has experienced, which means this is not the first near miss. Near misses occur when a bank processes the wrong amount but is able to recover the funds. The bank suffered 10 near misses of $1 billion or more last year and 13 in the year prior. The bank has been working to repair its reputation since it sent $900 million in error to creditors engaged in a contentious battle over the debt of cosmetics group Revlon 5 years ago. So let's stop there. Let's stop there, because what this tells us is that they are able to catch large near misses. $1 billion, $1 trillion, those are large near misses. What about $1,000 here? What about $10,000 there? What about $100,000 here that they can justify and rightfully be able to claim, because it's not uncommon for somebody to have multiple thousands of dollars. It's not uncommon for a person to have $100,000 or hundreds of dollars. It's not uncommon. Billions and trillions, yeah, that's going to be hard to act as though that was just normal. But when we're talking about hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and maybe even millions, then the question comes, who else has benefited from this, or has it come to their detriment? Because just like you can make a error to the upside of someone's account, you can also make an error to the downside. And this is just assuming that it's all errors. But we know when people understand that digits are what represent money, and it's just as simple as them stroking a few keys that can allow money to appear, then we know that, yeah, it could be some errors, but it can also be some intent. What does that mean for you? You have to view money different, because the true value is in your time. See, if somebody can switch a couple of digits and deposit something into your account, then the value isn't in the number itself. As long as you do stuff with it that allows you to create value, create or accumulate assets, now you convert that digit, that fake money, into something tangible or something of value. But you have to value your time. So what does that mean? That means you need to do things that allow your time to make money, and make money without you not just trading your time for money. Because when you get into the rat race of trading your time for money, it's only one thing that can come from that. You run out of time and you don't have enough money. But when you decide that you can figure out a way to make your money make money, or do something one time and it continues to make money, now you position yourself to be timeless in abundance. Those are the differences. So what are your views on this situation? How do you view money? Are you exchanging time for money? Are you positioning yourself to have money working for you, but also making yourself timeless by doing things one time that continue to generate income revenue on a somewhat passive basis? But I had to share this because this is a recent error that kind of just got swept under the rug. But it happens. And this is just one entity. This happens all across the board. Mr. Smith signing out. Salute.